Good evening, guys.
Good evening, sir.
Well, today I'm going to teach you conditional sentences, right?
Yes, sir.
Conditional sentences, I think you may have heard about a lot. When you were school, you were taught by your teachers about the conditional sentences. So there are four types of conditional sentences. How many types of? Four types of. First, it's zero condition, right? In zero, in which real condition actually, okay, like I smell into the water. That is a real condition. The present to present we define that. Okay, in reality, that means a zero condition. And particularly in zero condition, what we do that? We just make sentences present to present tense. Okay, Sanskar, present to present. That's right. Second thing is that, don't move that. Second thing is too important. Unreal condition. If she comes here, I will help her. If I go there, I will teach them.
Yes, sir.
It's unreal, not real. Because unreal, how that? Because it's dependent. If she comes here, I will teach. If I go there, I will teach them. So it's dependency. So it's not real. It's unreal. If, right? Because if means not reality. It's a condition. Right?
Yes, sir.
Now, third, first, second, and third. The third is condition imagination. Imagination. If I were you, if I were a bird, if I was a bird, yeah, let me explain to you. Raymond Murphy bird, actually. It's a British grammarian who says that if I were, if I was, both are acceptable grammatically. If you say if I were a bird or if I was a bird, both acceptable as per Raymond Murphy both. That's why I quote his name in my video. If I were, right? And fourth is impossible. Impossible means a thing which cannot be done. Let me explain to you. You guys are the boys here, and one girl we have here, Deepika. So if I say Sanskar had been a girl, if Sanskar had been a girl, he would have studied in the girls' college. But Sanskar, not possible because Sanskar is a boy. So that is impossible condition. Not possible because Sanskar actually, born as a boy, is boy. So that's why it's imagination. No, it's impossible. Imagination means if I were to laugh that, it's not a good thing. So imagination means what happened that in which we imagine. But this impossible condition, if Sanskar had been a girl, he would have studied in the girls' college. But Sanskar how? Because Sanskar is boy, not a girl. That's why this condition is impossible. Okay? That condition is impossible. Okay? So just I've explained to you about all the four conditions: zero, first, second, and third. Zero condition, real condition. Right after that, the first one unreal, then imagination, and the last is impossible. Right? Any doubt you have? Let's go. So impossible condition, have you got it? Alright.
Snap.
Impossible. So impossible condition that in which the thing is not possible. Right? One more example I want to give you. If Gandhiji had been alive today, he would have taught us. So not possible. Not possible. Because Gandhiji died 1948.
Yes, sir.
Now, Gandhiji is not possible to
years.
be alive because he died 1948. It's not possible. Right? That sentence, impossible. That means impossible condition. Clear? Okay guys? Clear?
Clear, sir.
So, I have taught you the four conditional sentences. Please, you have to look upon it. If you have a question, you can ask in about this video, comment, and in doubt you can ask me and raise the issues also. Like the four conditions. Zero condition actually is too advanced because most teachers don't teach zero condition. It's a real condition now. More conditions yet to be taught. It's high time. It's time. It's about time. I can explain to you more condition that. One more example I want to give you. I was going there tomorrow. It's not condition sentence. I was going there tomorrow. This sentence 100% correct. I was going there tomorrow. It means you had a plan to go, now you're not going there.
Yes,
right?
sir.
That means I was going there tomorrow. It's not wrong sentence. Just think of it. If any problem, you can ask me. 1 minute. You can ask video. And second thing, I am busy next week. If I had a time, I would come. Sentence. I am busy
On next.
next week. If I had time, I would come. It's a future condition. How the future? Just try to understand. Sentence again, listen carefully. I am busy next week. If I had time, I would come. Right? The sentence, please think of how the future condition and explain it in my next video. Thank you and subscribe, share, like my video. Thank you very much.